Before we address the topic of how to make $100 a day online for free and what the big myth is about that, I want to ask you what brought you to this video. So I would think that you're either a person that has never tried to make money online before, or you've tried and you just couldn't seem to figure out how to actually make money online. I'm going to address that, and I'm going to give you my number one recommendation for making $100 a day. But before we go any further, I want to address the myth. The myth here is free. And the idea of free meaning that it doesn't cost you any money, but that not being the only thing that actually comes with a cost. Because the time that you have to invest in yourself is something to take into consideration when you're talking about getting to $100 a day online and doing this for quote unquote free. Now, the method I want to talk to you about today on how to get to $100 a day online is using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing looks like this. You are looking for your target audience. Your target audience is on YouTube or on Facebook, so you're going to create content on YouTube or Facebook, and then you're going to drive that target audience, or you're going to ask them to click to land on an opt-in page. Then you're going to add them to an email list, and then you're going to send them to more content and offers, which eventually all winds them up on an affiliate offer page where your target audience clicks and they make a purchase, and you earn a commission as an affiliate marketer, making that $100 a day. Now, here comes the part about it being free and the big myth. Can you do this for free? Yes, you can get the tools to do all this 100% for free, but again, it comes back to the idea of, is your time free or not? And for most of us, the reality is that we have more time than we have money, and even if we have the money, we don't really know what we're doing yet, so we have to invest our time to figure out exactly how this all works. So as I showed you in this example, you need to build an opt-in page, you need to build an email list, and you need to have an affiliate offer. So where do you get these things, and how do you get them for free? Well, a good example here is a site called GrooveFunnels. Here you can see you can simply get started for free. And you can see that this is a set of tools that people use to promote their products online. It comes for free with the tools that you see here, GrooveFunnels, GroovePages, and a bunch of other tools that you can all use for free. Another free tool is called Aweber. This is an email marketing system, or more commonly known as an autoresponder. On our diagram, GrooveFunnels and GroovePages is what you're going to use to build your opt-in pages, as well as your pages and contents for offers if you want to use this product for free. And to build your email list, to follow up with your target audience, you would be using something like Aweber. Again, all those tools can be gotten for free, but learning how to use them and learning how to actually do affiliate marketing to get to that $100 a day is the big problem that you have now. So you have to invest in yourself, and you have to use a little bit of time to learn exactly how to do these things. And that's why I'm making this video, but also I want to let you know about a free web class at a link in the description that will take you through a web class and tell you exactly how this is going to work step by step, and also cover some other big myths around the whole idea of making money online, specifically getting to this $100 a day and whether or not you can really do it for free. Now, when it comes back to making $100 a day doing affiliate marketing, again, your target audience is on YouTube or Facebook as an example. You build an opt-in page, and in this case, you're doing it for free using a tool called GrooveFunnels and GroovePages. You're adding them to an email list, which is a starter kit over on Aweber, which you can get for free, driving them to more content and offers, back to the affiliate offer. But where do you get the affiliate offer? You can do this for free over on a site like ClickBank. Here you can see one of the top offers, Okinawa Flat Belly Fix, with an average conversion of $134.91. Meaning if you were to sell one of these a day, you could possibly make $134.91. But again, the big myth here is, can you do this for free? And the answer to that is, yes, you can get free tools to build opt-in and squeeze pages and landing pages. And yes, you can get the information like the information I'm giving you here for free to learn how to do affiliate marketing. But your time is not free. It's very valuable, and you can shortcut this process and learn a lot more if you spend a little bit of money to decrease the amount of time it takes to learn this. And that is the big myth that I'm addressing in this video, is how to make $100 a day online. My recommendation being affiliate marketing. And yes, you can start with free tools, but you need to invest in yourself and utilize your time wisely And again, that's why I'm making this video, to help you understand that, as well as let you know the best way to do that is to click on the link in the description. It takes you over to a free web class from Philip Barman, where he's going to walk you through all the myths as well as some gold nuggets about how to actually accomplish your goal, which is to get to $100 a day online. And of course, I'm focused on doing this with my number one recommendation for getting started, making money online, which is affiliate marketing. So click that link in the description, head over to that free web class. Be sure to watch that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them here in the comments section, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.